Today we are going to be examining a problem about Rose. Rose has a flower shop. She ordered 25 sunflowers. Rose gives 2/5 of the flowers to her mom. How many flowers does her mom get? If we look at this problem, there's some things in here that are very important that we need to highlight. So the first set would be 25 sunflowers. So it's very important that we mark 25 and highlight it. Rose gives 2/5 of those flowers. So we know that we are working with 2/5 of the flowers that she has in all. And then of course our question, how many sunflowers does her mom get? So using this information, we are going to solve this problem. So we're going to start looking at this problem by making a picture. So if you look, I put some sunflowers. How many sunflowers did I put? Exactly, there's 25. Very good. So I have 25 sunflowers that go with my problem. Now that we have our 25 sunflowers, we need to think about what I'm supposed to do with these sunflowers. So I have the fraction 2/5, and we know that my denominator is 5. So I'm going to need to make 5 groups. So I have my 5 groups, and they're represented by the circles that you see. Now that I have my 5 groups, what should I do with those 5 groups? Yes, so I have to put 1 sunflower in each group until all the sunflowers are gone. So if I continue this process with all of the sunflowers, I would have a picture that looks like this. And how many flowers do you see in each group? Exactly, there's 5 sunflowers in each group. So we know that mom gets 2/5, but we first need to figure out how many sunflowers are in 1/5. So if you take a look at our picture, how many groups am I worried about? Very good, I'm worried about 1 group. So I'm only worried about 1 because my numerator is 1. So if we take a look at 1 group, we notice that there are 5 sunflowers. So if we know that mom gets 2/5, how many groups are we going to be looking at? Yes, we're going to be looking at 2 groups. So if mom gets 2 groups of sunflowers, how many flowers is mom going to get in all? So if we look at the 2 groups, we get 10 flowers are in 2 groups. Because 1 group has 5 flowers, so 2 groups would have a total of 10. So that means that mom gets 10 flowers out of the 25 flowers that Rose has ordered.